Hello friends, today is my chapter matrix. Discuss of matrix, types of matrix. Matrix is the divide of two parts, first row and second column. And what is row? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now will we say that 1, 2, 3, 4 is the row. But A1, A2, A3 dot dot AN, so will we follow, and that row and horizontal elements of matrix and vertical elements of matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 of column 4 cross 1 and 3 cross 2 and 2 cross 2, all elements of matrix series of matrix or column. And third, zero matrix or null matrix, and two names of zero and null. What is zero and null? Same name of matrix. And zero matrix in the all elements zero and it's called zero or null matrix. And zero and null matrix it's called a zero null matrix. Means matrix of the element 0 0 0 and 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3 and 4 cross 4, all elements of matrix 0, and 0 is called the null matrix or zero matrix. And fourth is square matrix. What is square matrix? Which is the square matrix? Equal to row and column numbers of square matrix. And square matrix row and column elements of number and equal to same of square matrix. And with example 2 minus 3 4 4 0 6 4 0 6 2 2 3 3 cross 3 is a series of square matrix. And row and column elements of same cross element, and with example 3 3 3 and 4 cross 4 and all elements same of square matrix. And then A equal to Aij, n cross m each a element, n cross n each a element of Aij and Ji. Opposite of elements of matrix Aij and Aji forming the so will be square matrix. Means n cross n and 1 cross 1 and 2 cross 2, 3 cross 4, 3 cross 3 and 4 cross 4, all elements of equal cross elements of matrix. And then will we say that diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? All elements 0 beside of diagonal matrix. Means diagonal matrix elements of matrix diagonal matrix of the element of number and beside of element of number 0 0 0. Okay, and 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3 and 0 of elements diagonal is the numbers and other elements of 0 0 0 0. Okay, means 4 1 cross 1 elements of matrix diagonal matrix means near about of the elements of 0 number. Okay, and 4 diagonal numbers of 1 cross 1 matrix of element. And scalar matrix here a diagonal matrix in the all elements of equal is called scalar matrix. And scalar matrix is the diagonal matrix and same numbers of element and other 0 and other elements of matrix number 0 0 0 and 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3 and 4 cross 4, all elements of scalar matrix of same diagonal elements of number and minus 1 and other elements of number 0 0. Okay, and with unit or identity matrix. And what is unity or identity matrix of same name of identity or unit? Okay, identity matrix in the diagonal is same numbers of all elements, or identity matrix is denoted by IN. N is the identity number. Okay, and I2 so will be 2 1 0 0 1. And unit identity matrix and unit means 1 and diagonal of elements of 1 1 f2 2 3 3 and other elements of number 0 and 2 cross 2 elements of matrix is a unit matrix and 3 cross 3 elements of unit matrix or identity matrix of 4 cross 4 all elements of matrix and other elements of 0 elements of number. And triangular matrix, what is triangular matrix? First upper triangular matrix and second lower triangular matrix. Triangular matrix means triangular And first upper triangular matrix 3 2 5 4 1 7 0 0 minus 3 and 3 cross 3 is a upper trigonal matrix. And trigonal matrix make of the elements of number trigonal should be will be elements of matrix upper trigonal matrix. Okay, and lower matrix in the should be elements of number 0 and diagonal will we say that no. And lower triangular matrix, what is the lower matrix is the triangular matrix, and upper matrix 0 0 and lower elements of number is the other elements minus 3 3 4 elements of mix should be that a lower triangular matrix. Okay, and equal matrix, then matrix A and matrix B are equal elements of equal matrix, and means it's called the equal matrix. A equal to and given elements of matrix and B equal to given elements of matrix, then because will we say that equal elements. And so with example, A equal to 1 minus 1 3 2 3 4 and 2 cross 2, and B equal to 2 cross 2 elements of matrix 1 minus 1 3 2 3 4 and A and B equal to elements of matrix. Okay, and transpose of matrix, what is transpose of matrix? Changing a row and column make will be row new matrix, then trigonal matrix in the denoted by A or A power T transpose matrix. Okay, and transpose matrix of the A equal to A power T and denoted by A power T or A dash. Okay, then because means A power T equal to A J I n cross M, where A J I M cross N means opposite A power T equal to A, and a given value of elements of matrix, and A power T transpose matrix on vertical and horizontal matrix of change in the row and column. Okay, and so will be with example A B C X Y Z 2 cross 3, then A power T or A dash, okay, equal to A B C X Y Z and 3 cross 2 and 2 cross 3, and change will be a row and column. Okay, and symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, what is the symmetric matrix? Okay, and square matrix is just symmetric matrix with example 3 minus 4 minus 4 6, and symmetric matrix is the and A equal to 3 minus 4 minus 4 6 and 2 cross 2 matrix is the element of matrix, and A equal to A power T and given A 3 minus 4 minus 4 6 and solve is the A power T transpose matrix in change of 3 minus 4 and minus 4 6. Okay, and on equal to the A equal to A power T and A power T equal to A. Okay, and third 3 cross 3 equal to elements of symmetric matrix, and similarly solve is the A power T equal to A, means A power T equal to A and should be symmetric matrix, and skew symmetric matrix A power T equal to minus A or A equal to minus A power T, means A equal to and given is the elements of matrix, and changing of the A power T equal to answer of the solving in the minus means negative matrix of element. And with example A0 minus A0 and 0 H minus G H0 F G minus F0 and 3 cross 3 elements of matrix, and given solving is the A power T and row and column changing of the elements of matrix, and A minus A power T and skew symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix A plus A power T. And because so will be notes important of first diagonal skew symmetric in the diagonal matrix of Shunya, means skew symmetric of elements of diagonal elements of matrix 0 means elements of matrix 0 0 0 diagonal matrix is the no number of elements in 0 0 0 and other elements of number, so will be skew symmetric. Okay, an important concept of diagonal of matrix and the competitive exam the put up of the questions, and I hope understanding my video. Thanks for watching. Okay.